Scott doing here at MarineMax of Dallas, and I'm standing here on the transom of a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 350 SLX. So 350 SLX went through a redesign, couple new things that I'll go through that they've changed that are going to be really popular. Instead of the older style platform, the electric platform that was underneath your main platform that swung down and out, this is just a vertical lift insert to drop straight up and down, so you have the ability to adjust the height. The transom seating has been redesigned also from a new style clamshell that opens up to give you nice seating on the back, significantly better to open than the previous designs. Same walk-through transom, fender locker coming into the boats for wet storage, wraparound seating. Of course, over here in your wet bar area, you do have a sink, you do have an isotherm refrigerator, as well as an electric grill. One of the things that people have noticed that they have changed, if you look at the seat bases, they're pulled out away from the backrest a little bit, making it a whole lot easier to get in here and clean all this, because if you have a boat where the cushions go right up against the backrest, you know, that's where all the dirt gets trapped. Makes it significantly easier to hose off and clean. Double wide companion seat, double wide helm. This boat is a twin engine boat, so twin binnacle controls, and of course it was ordered with the Axius joystick docking. Twin SIMRAD screens in the dash for your chart plotter, GPS, downscan sonar, does all of those for you. It'll control your stereo, although of course you also have a secondary control for your Fusion stereo here. That is also Bluetooth and satellite ready. Control over here for your spotlight up front. Moving up into the front of the boat, again, you'll notice the seat cushions are pulled away from the backrest a little bit to make cleaning a little easier. There are USB ports up front, as well as built-in cup holders and a secondary control for your stereo built into the front. There are also filler cushions that can go here on the side if you want to make this full U-shaped seating. Right now we just have it set up so that two people can face forward. Of course, power windlass with bow spray down and remote spotlight. So one of the other things that was changed is the head used to be on the port side and the small berth was on the other side. Now they have it switched so that the head has been moved over to the starboard side of the boat. Gives it a little better headroom than what it used to have. But the benefit of doing that is now you get an actual berth down in the port side of the boat with air conditioning and a television. So really nice, nice changes for this year. Same hardtop remains as last year, but of course, opening shade in the center and a transom sheer shade that will extend nearly to the transom of the boat to give you shade all the way to the back of the boat. So very nice, cool new boat. We just brought it into the showroom. So if you have any questions on it or any of the other boats we have, pick up the phone and give us a call, or better yet, stop into the showroom. We look forward to talking to you.